Today we're going to talk about buying pre-loved Speedies on eBay. We're going to talk about a good example and we're going to talk about a not so great example. All right, first thing you want to look for, canvas. You want to make sure that the canvas isn't damaged. So you want to look at the four corners. You want to make sure that the corners are in good condition. This is an example of a perfect condition canvas. None of the corners are worn, the color's still the same, no discoloration, no issues, no fading. You could also see that this canvas is super soft. Next thing you want to look at is the top zipper line canvas. So the canvas running along the zipper line. Usually in older vintages that have been dried out, you start getting vertical cracks along the zipper line. And it's not that it can't be repaired. It can be repaired, but it'll take some time. It's going to be an extra investment for you. Third thing you want to look at is the hardware. You want to make sure that all of the hardware is intact. So you have all of the loops, you have all of the rivets. Don't be afraid if they're tarnished or if they're dirty or if they're green. Louis Vuitton uses excellent brass material for their hardware that we can revive. Main thing is being able to remove them correctly, and that's something that we do well. Finally, you want to look inside of the bag and make sure that the canvas is clean, there's no stains, there's no issues. This bag is a perfect example of what you should be buying. Clean interior canvas, all of the hardware is intact, the canvas is in perfect condition. This makes for an excellent bag to either customize or restore to original Vaqueta leather. Next, let's go and look at a bag that has had a little bit more issues than we would like. First of all, don't be afraid if the handle is hanging or if the leather is ripped, because all of this stuff gets removed either way. What I wanted to show you is, if you look at the corners, you can see a difference. These corners have heavy wear, which we can refill and color match. So I just wanted to show you the corners. You can compare the two. Okay, I'll zoom in for you to see as well. So that's the main thing you want to look for. Secondly, I wanted to show you what the cracks look like. So on this bag, you'll see there's a vertical crack here, and there's some minor cracking along the line here. Can we repair it? Absolutely. Will it take some extra time? Yes, and it's going to cost a little bit more money. So all of these little details have to be involved in the pricing of the bag. So make sure you get a better deal. Finally, I wanted to show you the zipper. So not only is the slider broken here, but the teeth are also broken right here. So you're going to require a full new zipper on the bag, which is an extra expense during restoration. So these are the two bags I wanted to show you. Price points, what you should be paying. This bag should be around $400. This bag should be around $300. You have to also understand that you're going to spend about $600–700 restoring them or customizing them. So you're going to be around $1,000 to $1,100 per bag. You don't want to overpay, because then that becomes a higher investment for you. Anyway, and if you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comments. I'll get back to everyone as soon as I can, and we'll see you on the next one.